Hi there, we're Harley and Robin,
Hi.
and we just had a very large job done by System Pavers. They did an excellent job. We were very happy with the work. The job they did here was around 6,500 square feet. Told us it would take about 3 weeks, and it did.
It really enhances the beauty of our home, and we just love it. The colors are beautiful, and it really, really makes the property look exceptional.
The contract process was fair and the way we expected it to be. They brought samples, they showed us how things could look, they put it on a computer, and we were very, very pleased with the way everything went.
And George, who was the field supervisor, was wonderful. And I would call him in a panic and would just be right there, calm my nerves, because things go crazy sometimes, and when you're doing a big job, sometimes you don't realize what is going to happen. And they were all very, it's not a problem, got it covered, and they were great. It was really good.
Yes, we would recommend them again.